Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail by using Canva. So if you want to create an YouTube thumbnail, Canva is very good app and website by which you can easily create YouTube thumbnails. Here you will get lots of thousands of templates for your YouTube videos. Okay, so first what you have to do, here you have to search for YouTube thumbnail, or you can also in the for you option you will see this thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this, so now just click on it, create a blank. So when you click on it, here you will see this is the space where you can edit your photo or the thumbnail, and this is the section where you will see elements, text, uploads, draw, project and apps. Okay, so you can just select one of them templates to edit. You can select all these things, and all if you want to upload any photo from your computer or from your mobile, you can just click on uploads, and here you will see upload files, and you can select any one of them which you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to use that template. Okay, so here just click on design. Now here you will see many templates. You can search for a keyword. Okay, so if you want to video editing, okay, if you are want to make a thumbnail for video editing videos, just search for it, and here you will see top 5 best video editing, all these options. Okay, here you will see all these thumbnails. You will see these are the thumbnails which you can use. Okay, now if I want to use one of them, okay, like this, if I want to use this one, okay, this is up here you will see upgrade to use this template, because this is paid, so you can update your Canva, but I'm going to just use a free version. Okay, so I'm going to choose a free version here. Okay, let's like this is a free. Okay, this is free. Now if I want to edit, okay, so here when you click on it, okay, you can edit it. Just double click on this and you can edit it. Okay, so if I want to make it like how to edit, okay, and just press anywhere, so you will see that this you can edit text like this. You can also edit this one. Okay, double click on it. You can add other image. Okay, just click on ungroup, and you can add any image. Okay, like if you just click on delete, and you can add image from your gallery. Okay, so I just upload files, and if I want to add this image, so I can add this image. Okay, so like this you can add any image here. So now you can also add text. You can edit the text color from here, and size, text color, text font. Here you will see effect option also. You can edit that also. So you can like this you can use Canva for making YouTube thumbnail. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.